made it to my first cycle tour in Delhi. Oh my god, I'm excited and let's see how this experience goes.
Good evening. It is
It's hot. And that's my group. Tea break finally. अच्छा bye कर दो bye. मत करो. Feeling hungry, so I want to have this mango. Really great. Sorry, I love you for this. Thank you for coming and joining.
And we have just done 10 kilometers cycling in Delhi, and these are your survival certificates. Okay,
I managed to do this.
You are put at the back of.
Finally, we made it today. So here all the girls going. Bye. ये वीडियो के चक्कर में हम लग गए, so it's time for me to leave. Let's go.
Have a tea break. After tea break, we will go to the garden and then come back.
Our first halt was Lodhi Art District, जहाँ पे हमारे जो टूर लीडर थे उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई यहाँ पे वॉल आर्ट्स के बारे में, और हमसे भी पूछा कि what do we feel about that art. तो it was very amazing.
This painting was made by the Lodhi colony residents.
So this painting was named as community wall, और हर आर्ट के वहाँ पे एक बोर्ड में प्रॉपर उसकी डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया हुआ है.
Yes, first AR painting, augmented reality.
Everybody steals love. Everybody heals with love.
You can download the app if you want. It's called Artivai.
Just let the love.
Damn it, it looks like that the heart, something is beating. What is it called? Wow.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that, I find it very interesting. So, notice this beach shop.
Yes.
It feels like it's coming out at you. So it uses a lot of this kind of technique. It blends pretty well with the environment, with the building itself. If you notice,
He thought it's somebody's sari. Because I was looking through camera.
And these flowers, like our typical Indian doorway.
Yes.
And there's a mountain.
मुझे लगा मुझे डॉक्टर
Right.
Sidhu. I thought Sidhu.
So this is kind of nostalgic kind of a thing that, there's a flute player selling this.
I need to know the story behind that.
I'll never understand this.
It's more like
We expected this really weird, I'll be honest. Do you have something to say about this one?
Please dragon.
लोधी आर्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ये इतनी प्यारी जगह है, इसे एक्सप्लोर करना दिल्ली में क्या, कई सारे लोग जो दिल्ली आते हैं उनका बहुत ही एक विश लिस्ट में डेफिनेटली होता होगा, बट उसको यहाँ पे साइकिलिंग के थ्रू हर एक गली, हर एक एरिया को अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर करना और दूसरे का परसेप्शन जान के उसको एक अलग ही एंगल से देखना, ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस था. A big thank you to DBC for giving me such a pleasant experience.
दो पल फुर्सत जो मिले, खामोशी बातें करे, ओ मेरा पता जो.
Isn't this amazing?
Favorite aspect.
Why are you crying? दीदी तो रो नहीं रही है. ओहो, सब जा रहे हैं स्कूल भाई. हो रहे? अच्छा बाय कर दो, बाय. मत करो.
Is that the art is not just on the wall.
Yeah.
The trees are also part of the.
Yeah.
It's like
Even the trees are contributing to this art. See, it seems like the elephants are in a jungle.
And it kind of represents the forest of that used to be
awesome.
All of this used to be forest at one point. Yoga, it
Yes.
all represents health in general. We have medicine in the scientific form. Education from transgender people, so quality education for
Oh,
everyone.
yeah.
And a disabled person who is in a wheelchair, who is with a camera, so who have freedom to do things. There's people going on job, so jobs for everyone. There's girls going for education, people taking arts, and just
Post-apocalyptic world is the theme, kind of, for this. Phew! Hi. Steve Jobs.
But I'm happy. So yeah, it is that
hot.
does
That's my group.
But okay, so this is basically the 3 stages of a relationship.
How 3 stages?
Okay, yeah. So can you notice those pigeons?
Yeah, in love.
So it looks like they're kissing. Yeah. And that's the first stage, the honeymoon period, the start. And below them you can notice there's a heart symbol on the signboard. So yeah, that's the start, the really, that the sparks are alive and everything is awesome.
Yeah.
And then you have the chickens. Look like a married couple, just walking around safely. But
And the hen having flower in his beak.
and that's vandalism.
No, the hen has a flower in his beak. So much in love after celebrating Valentine's Day.
And then we have the twins, which is pretty obvious. If you have noticed, the guy is still looking towards the girl, while the girl is looking.
Enjoying apples. Yes.
Then you have.
That's crazy, man. Next destination in this cycle tour to Najaf Khan Tomb. This is where I'm coming for the first time. और देखो मैं भूखी हूँ ना, तो I'm feeling hungry, so I want to have this mango. Anything. Yes. No, but we actually waited for a tea halt. Wow. Somewhere in Lodi Road. Coffee! Coffee, coffee, yes. Hot coffee. Finally.
इस टी स्टॉल की ये विगली विगली कॉफ़ी तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई, बहुत ही टेस्टी थी। दिल्ली के ही कितने सारे स्पॉट्स हैं जहाँ मैंने अभी ट्राई ही नहीं किया है, और ये छोटी सी टॉक शॉप मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी।
Many times. I was a repeat customer basically, and I finally came and joined. Yeah, it's been really fun. I really enjoy meeting new people and having a break from the monotonous week. Because during the week I am a software developer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, basically, yeah, the middle class template. Yeah, I broke that template and I'm.
कितना अमेजिंग होता है ना स्ट्रेंजर्स से मिलना, एंड देन दो स्ट्रेंजर्स जस्ट टर्न इनटू योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड देन अगेन कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जिनसे हम दोबारा से वापस से मिलते हैं। और यहाँ पे आके सबकी लाइफ, सबका एक्सपीरियंसेस, क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंसेस जानना और उनको सुनना बहुत मोटिवेट करता है।
गार्डन, इट्स अ हॉल्ट, नेक्स्ट हॉल्ट। All the places that I saw on Instagram. It's awesome being here at Lodhi Gardens. जब सारे फूल ही खत्म हो गए।
Out and this park was established. So earlier it was known as Lady Wellington Park, but once we got independent, we renamed it Lodhi Garden because all these monuments were made during the Lodhi Rana. So yeah, that's why Lodhi Garden and that was much Lady Wellington. That doesn't yeah. And we'll be going to that structure, but first there are small ducks.
ये जो फाउंटेन है लोधी गार्डन में, इसमें तो अगर आप कभी अच्छे से किसी प्लेजेंट वेदर में आओगे ना, यू कैन स्पॉट अ रेनबो अराउंड इट ऑल्सो। तो ये यहाँ का एक आइकॉनिक और बहुत ही फेमस स्पॉट है।
लोधी गार्डन का ये जो फाउंटेन है यार, क्रेजी। क्या बताएं इसको? Really crazy, Sonia, I love you for this. Thank you for coming and joining. क्या बताएं इसका नाम? आर्ट कोला, something कोका कोला। भाई अंकल जी हंस रहे सामने, मस्त करके। चल Let's have a happy smile with uncles. Oh my god! Cheating है। It's peaceful. They have a duck house here, but I don't know where are the ducks. Quack quack. Happy is the heart that still feels pain. Darkness drains and light will come again. Swing open your chest and let it in. Just let the love in. Everybody wants to love. Wow, so amazing and crazy. Experience, the cycling experience, really. That is definitely something I was looking out for from a long time, and super glad that I made it. And I'm happy. These birds in Lodhi Garden, you can speak. You can spot blue rock pigeon, red-vented bulbul, collared dove, and of course peacock. तो भारत में हर जगह है, दिल्ली में तो बहुत ही है.
Everyone for meeting us. And we have just done 10 kilometers cycling in Delhi, and these are your survival certificates.
Thank you.
Okay,
I managed to do this.
There's a QR code at the back of the bookmark. So scan it and you'll get access to our drive where I'll be putting the photos. And
Okay.
you can also put the videos and photos.
Sure.
सो दैट्स ऑल। ये था मेरा साइकिलिंग टूर लोधी आर्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, और ये है कुछ पिक्चर्स वहाँ के ब्यूटीफुल वॉल आर्ट के जो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। आई होप आपको मेरा ये क्यूट सा ब्लॉग पसंद आएगा, और अगर आप ये साइकिलिंग टूर कर रहे हो तो आपको हिंट मिल जाएगा हाउ अमेजिंग इट इज गोइंग टू बी। सो आई होप यू लाइक द ब्लॉग। प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। बाय।